Dovoh H3-360G. You're gonna see it in action. We're gonna lay some tile in Mexico. More right after this. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. Now for your sanity. This is the shack. Hello and welcome back to the shack. We're taking the Dovoh H3-360G down to Mexico, and we're going to use it to lay some tile in the bathroom. I'm going to show you exactly how it's going to work with no more delay. Let's just get down there and get busy. Hey everybody, welcome. In this video we're going to actually show the Dovoh H3-360G in actual use. As you see here, we are going to be setting up tile. So I got the line set up. Right there is my center line from end to end, and there's the other center line. You can see, you can kind of see, but that's where it goes down right there. It's right on that line, and it's right between the two marks right there. Sorry about that, battery dies. I had to plug in my external battery. So that's my center line. I'm gonna move the tile so they're straddling the center right there. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I'll show you what I mean. Put this right here by there. So basically, I gotta move this up, move this up, this I'm gonna slide over till it. See, I can see that line, and I can bring that right close to it. So it'll be about right there. Now this one, without putting the spacers in, should be about right there. Actually, I'm just gonna come a little bit closer. It'll be about like that. So that's close. That'll give me an idea. So now I can set them like this. These will all be like that. This one will go here, and I have to cut that for the toilet here. That section over there, I'm gonna get this all laid out and cut to fit around there. Now I got this remarked because I got my Dovoh laser on the Huepar laser mount, so I have all these multiple adjustments on my tripod. So now I'm going to readjust this. See the line, whoops, the line right there. I got to bring that over, and this one is way off right there, so I got to readjust those. Oh, very, very good. Right there, perfect. That'll be nice. I got that line. That makes it nice right there. That's what it's going to be. So we got to get that cut, and then we'll go from there. Good. You see that? You can see the line there. All right, the other one. Hey, it's looking good. We're gonna take a break. Let me see that. Yeah, there. Got it sitting over here out of the way. We're gonna take a break, come back and finish. We got 3 more rows to do. Definitely have to have that on a tripod out of the way because we bumped into this thing like 3 times, so it's learning as we go. Everything looks better the next day. It's pretty good. Nice and straight. Now the issues we had was that's all we had, so I had the laser right here, and every time we were coming in and out it got bumped, so it got bumped multiple times. We were kind of limited on space, and we had the saw right here, so it was just kind of the way I was trying to make it easy and simple so we didn't have to travel far. But for the most part it came out good. It's definitely helped if we didn't have to keep readjusting it. Just set it once and could have done that. Looks good. We're back in business. We're going to do grout today. Okay, we got the grout all in. We got to wait a couple hours, and then we wipe that all clean, and basically we're done. Man, it is hot out here. It was hot down there, and I apologize if you didn't get the best of views, but where that bathroom was at, the sun was in direct, and I mean direct, in line with our bathroom, and as soon as the afternoon went by, boom, it was glaring in there because it was facing west, so as the sun set, it was in there from the afternoon all the way to the evening until it finally got below the mountains. Oh my gosh. And we were very limited on the space there. That's one thing I did learn. If you're in a tight area and you have to use a tripod, it may not be the best thing for you. I must have realigned that thing 7 times, 8 times at least, because the lady would hand stuff and she always bumped it and like, oh my God, not again. So it took probably an added hour and a half in our day, because it took about 15 minutes each time I had to realign it up. It was like, oh my gosh. The end product, nice, straight, looked good. Limited space, any laser level may not be the option. I could have hooked it to the banister, but kids ran all day. It would have been shaking like a dog, and if you walk on that upper level, it vibrates, so that wasn't an option. That's why I had to try to keep it on the tripod. That was my best solution. Unfortunately, it was right in the door. I needed it back about 3 feet further, but I did not have that option, and it got bumped about 8 times minimum, maybe a dozen times. It was just a nuisance, but it did work. I got it lined up. It just took extra time. It added probably a good hour to our day, easy. But that's it. You saw it in action in Mexico, putting tile down. We got one more bathroom to do. Then we're going to use it to lay tile in the rooms so they're nice and straight. And we have plenty of room in there to get around it, so it will not be a nuisance. It will not be in the way. It will be sitting where it will not get bumped. That is it on this video. We are done with the series for the Dovoh. Check out the other 2 videos. The sale is gone. I don't know if nobody ever took advantage of it. The Huepar laser level mount and the Dovoh laser combination is a fantastic win-win. You got infinite ways to dial your light in just right where you want it. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Take back your shack. Build it for your sanity. Don't be afraid of laser levels. Take your craft, take your workmanship, take yourself to the next level with a laser level. Thanks again for watching. We will see you next video.